Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Fashion. Hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some beautiful exclusive bright collections only for you with great offer price. So let me display. This one also a beautiful bright one, blue shade, premium quality, pure handloom matka base and contrast color, red border and full base part is sequin design, same material, different blue shade today I have draped. And this one is full base part, and this one is muslin stripes with sequin design, pocket sequin, and this one is contrast color cotton base, contrast color border, and this one is matka base muslin stripes with beautiful sequin design, same saree today I have draped a different blue shade. And this one is royal blue, navy blue shade, and this one is running blouse piece red shade, and full base part is sequin design. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, muslin pallu with beautiful sequin stripes design, very elegant, bright, beautiful looks. This one is pallu and muslin with sequin design, and full base part is matka with muslin stripes, very nice one, smart, elegant, beautiful looks. And I will suggest this heavy brocade work, red base, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding beautiful looks. This one also beautiful smart one, pure handloom one, muslin base, pure handloom muslin with beautiful hand weaving jamdani buta, golden zari highlighted border. This one full base part, this one is muslin base, this one is border portion, golden zari highlighted border. This one is beautiful border, and this one is muslin base with golden and silver zari fine weaving buta design. And this one is beautiful color, very smart, elegant looks, pure handloom muslin with jamdani buta work. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fine weaving, hand weaving, jamdani work, golden and silver zari contrast weaving design, jamdani work, very nice one. This one is full pallu part, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is beautiful weaving jamdani work, and full base part muslin base, transparent highlighted golden zari border, very beautiful one, only 300 gram weight. And I will suggest this silk material, golden zari weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart bright looks, elegant also. This one also bright beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom silk cotton material with golden and silver zari contrast fine weaving design buta work. This one full base part, very beautiful color combination. This one is premium quality, pure handloom silk cotton material, mixed material with beautiful weaving buta design, golden and silver zari weaving buta work, full base. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work pallu, very nice one, fully hand weaving, golden and silver zari contrast fine weaving design, jamdani work pallu. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very smart, beautiful one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, bright color with golden and silver zari fine weaving buta design, full base. And I will suggest this silk material, brocade work, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. Very beautiful one, soft silk, semi curved silk with beautiful weaving design buta and contrast weaving border design, very nice one, very soft, comfortable one, soft silk material with beautiful color combination. This one full base part, heavy fine weaving design buta. This one is border portion, green contrast weaving border, one portion is pink, and this one is pallu portion, contrast color dye pallu with beautiful heavy brocade weaving design pallu, very nice and bright looks, base for your party wear, soft, lightweight also. This one full base part, beautiful blue shade, highlighted temple weaving design, and full base part is golden zari weaving buta work. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, very nice one. And I will suggest this synthetic material, heavy brocade buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks, bright also. This one also, beautiful one, same material of white base, contrast weaving border, soft silk, semi garad silk, soft silk with beautiful weaving butta design, full base part. And this one, border portions contrast color with fine golden zari weaving design, fully weaving design border, highlighted temple weaving design, very smart looks. And this one, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color dye pallu with beautiful brocade weaving design, very nice one. Dye pallu with beautiful weaving work. And this one, full base part, soft, lightweight, comfortable of white base, cream shade. And this one is contrast color border, one portion is pink shade, one portion is green shaded contrast border, and full base part is fine golden zari weaving butta design, very elegant, smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, gorgeous looks, very elegant also. This one also, beautiful one, pure muslin silk with hand weaving jamdani work, very smart one, base green shade with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, golden zari weaving design and beautiful color combinations. And this one is border portions, fine weaving design, transparent muslin with Dhakai Jamdani work, very nice one, elegant looks, traditional also, without running blouse piece, only sari length. This one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy weaving design, Dhakai Jamdani work pallu. And this one is full piece part, muslin jamdani, exclusive, smart, bright looks, elegant, traditional also. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart looks, beautiful one. This one also, a soft resham Dhakai Jamdani with hand weaving Jamdani work, very nice one, elegant looks of white base, cream base. And this one is fine weaving design, Dhakai Jamdani work, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani. This one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fine weaving design, Dhakai work. This one is beautiful weaving design, very nice one, elegant looks. And this one is full base part, Dhakai Jamdani without running blouse piece. This one is full base part, this one is border portion, heavy Dhakai Jamdani work. And this one is full base weaving butta design without running blouse piece, only sari length. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright looks, very traditional also. This one also, same material, Dhakai Jamdani, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani, beautiful color combinations. Let me open, very smart, traditional looks. This one is full base part, sky blue shade. This one is full base. This one is full base part, heavy Dhakai Jamdani work, soft, lightweight. This one is beautiful weaving design, border portion, contrast color threaded weaving design, Dhakai Jamdani work border. And this one is full base part, beautiful fine Dhakai weaving butta design, very smart looks. And this one is full base part. This one is pallu, beautiful heavy Dhakai Jamdani work, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright looks. Beautiful color combinations, very nice one, baby pink shade with beautiful Dhakai Jamdani work, very nice one, elegant, smart looks, white base and weaving butta design, full base part. This one full base part, beautiful one of white base with fine weaving design, Dhakai Jamdani work. This one is border portion, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani without running blouse piece, only sari length. And this one contrast color, beautiful weaving butta design, full base part, very smart, elegant look, soft, lightweight, semi transparent. This one is border and this one is full base. And this one pallu part, contrast color, pink shaded, baby pink shaded with beautiful fine Dhakai Jamdani work, pallu. This one is pallu part, very nice one, elegant, traditional looks. And this one is full base part, trendy, smart, traditional looks, Bengal resham, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani. And I will suggest this brocade work, heavy brocade work, bright contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, traditional also. This one also, same material, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani with weaving design, very smart Dhakai weaving work, very smart, elegant looks, white base, red contrast thread weaving Dhakai work. This one, border portion, and this one is full base part, heavy worked Dhakai Jamdani, very nice one, elegant looks, bright also. This one is full base part without running blouse piece, only sari length. And this one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy Dhakai Jamdani work, pallu. Smart, bright looks. White base, red contrast threaded weaving design, highlighted contrast green and yellow shaded threaded weaving design, Dhakai work, very nice one. And I will suggest this brocade work, silk material, heavy weaving brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright looks. Very beautiful. This one also, smart looks, based for your office wear, bright, beautiful one, daily looks. Very bright looks. This one is premium quality pure handloom cotton slab with beautiful batik printed one. This one full base part. This one is border portion, silver zari border and full border portions, contrast color dye with beautiful hand batik printed one. And this one is full base part, fine batik printed design, full base. And this one running blouse piece. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color stripes with beautiful hand batik printed pallu. And this one is full base part, mustard yellow shade, green contrast batik printed design. And this one is silver zari border, beautiful smart looks, based for your office wear. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart trendy looks, trendy daily looks. This one also, beautiful color combination, same material, cotton slab, silver zari border and bright color, beautiful batik printed one. This one, full base part. This one is full base part, fully hand batik print, contrast color dye with beautiful hand batik printed one, silver zari border and full base part is beautiful batik printed buta design. Fully printed one, hand batik print. This one is running blouse piece. And this one, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color dye, silver zari stripes with beautiful hand batik printed one, very elegant, trendy looks, beautiful one. And I will suggest this cotton silk material ikat contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright looks. Also, very beautiful one, very smart, elegant looks, premium quality pure handloom cotton slab with contrast color batik printed border, silver zari with batik printed contrast batik printed border. And this one, full base part with mirror design, very nice one. This one, soft, lightweight, premium quality pure handloom cotton slab. And this one is border portion, contrast color dye border with beautiful hand batik printed one, silver zari. And this one is pallu part, contrast color with batik printed and mirror design, very nice one, elegant, trendy looks, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one, full base part, very nice one, and beautiful mirror design, batik printed with mirror work, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, beautiful color combination, soft, lightweight. And I will suggest this silk material digital printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, smart looks. This one also, same material, beautiful one, beautiful mirror design, very highlighted looks, premium quality pure handloom cotton slab, silver zari border, full base part is batik printed one and with mirror work, very nice one. This one, full base part, orange shade. This one is silver zari border and full border portions hand batik printed one with mirror work, very nice one. This one is full base part, batik printed with mirror design. And this one, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand batik printed one with mirror design, very exclusive, trendy looks. This one, full base part, batik printed with mirror work, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart elegant looks. This one also beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton silk with beautiful embroidery design, very smart one, bright maroon red shade and highlighted contrast color, half 1 inch border. This one is full base part, this one is border portions, 1 inch highlighted border and full border portions, beautiful fine embroidery design. This one full base part, fine embroidery buta work floral pattern, and this one is temple pattern embroidery design, and this one pallu part, pallu end is beautiful heavy embroidery design, very soft lightweight comfortable premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton silk with beautiful fine embroidery design, very colorful also bright looks. And this one full base part, this one is full base and this one is border portions, very nice one, elegant looks, elegant smart bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also same material, black base, bright black base, handloom khadi cotton silk with fine embroidery design, highlighted 1 inch border, contrast border and full border portions, beautiful embroidery temple pattern embroidery design. And this one full base part, beautiful floral embroidery work, and this one full base part, very elegant smart looks, bright also. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, pallu in fine embroidery heavy worked pallu. And this one is full base part, black base khadi cotton silk with beautiful fine embroidery buta design, very nice one. And I will suggest this brocade work, heavy brocade work silk material contrast blouse piece with this saree for an outstanding looks, bright beautiful one. Beautiful one, beautiful color combinations, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton silk with jamdani work, very nice one, elegant looks, contrast color border. And this one full base part, beautiful weaving buta design, fully jamdani buta, hand weaving jamdani work buta. This one is contrast color border and this one is full base part, beautiful fine weaving buta design, very smart one, soft lightweight also. This one is beautiful smart weaving pallu design, fully hand weaving design. This one is beautiful weaving pattern and this one is full base part, sky blue shade, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton silk. This one full base part, fine weaving buta design, soft lightweight. This one is running blouse piece, this one is border and this one is full base, beautiful smart looks. And I will suggest this cotton silk material ikat pattern contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. This one also beautiful bright color combinations, premium quality pure handloom silk cotton with beautiful weaving buta design, contrast color border, ikat border. And this one full base part, very soft lightweight bright parrot green shade. And this one border portion, contrast color ikat border, highlighted golden zari stripes. This one is border, one portion is yellow shaded, one portion is pink shaded, contrast border, ikat border. And this one full base part, premium quality pure handloom silk cotton material. This one is full base, this one is running blouse piece. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fine weaving design jamdani work with beautiful dobby weaving design, checks pattern. This one is beautiful fine weaving design and this one is buta work, jamdani buta, highlighted temple weaving stripes, very nice one, elegant smart looks, beautiful bright one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy weaving bouquet work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. This one is beautiful heavy weaving blouse piece, very nice one, pure silk material. This one also bright beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom silk linen material with beautiful weaving buta design. This one full base part, this one is full base part silk linen with hand weaving, heavy weaving, hand weaving Banarasi buta design. This one is full base part, beautiful color combinations. And this one, you know, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, heavy golden zari hand weaving Banarasi work pallu. And this one, you know, full base part, smart elegant look, soft lightweight also, beautiful weaving Buddha design, premium quality pure handloom silk lian material. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece, beautiful one, fully hand weaving Banarasi Buddha. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks. Beautiful one, black base, premium quality pure handloom natural fabric, lane by lane golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful weaving polka design. This one, you know, full base part, bright black shade, golden zari border, highlighted contrast fresh pink shaded piping. And this one is beautiful weaving polka design, premium quality pure handloom natural fabric, lane by lane with polka design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, you know, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color stripes with beautiful weaving design, polka weaving design pallu. And this one, you know, full base part, very smart, trendy, bright looks, beautiful one. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, beautiful heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart bright looks. This one also, you know, beautiful trendy smart looks, parrot green shade, premium quality pure handloom, fine lane by lane golden zari border, black contrast piping. And this one, you know, full base part, very elegant looks, premium quality fine lane by lane. This one, you know, full base part, this one is fine golden zari border, highlighted contrast black piping. And this one is, you know, full base part, beautiful lane by lane material, premium quality. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, golden zari fine stripes pattern pallu. And this one, you know, full base part, smart trendy elegant looks, based for your office wear, professional wear, very smart one. This one is full base part, and this one is border and contrast black piping. And I will suggest this silk material, pure silk material, heavy weaving Buddha work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart bright looks. And this one also, you know, beautiful black base and cutwork design, fully designer piece, premium quality pure handloom natural fabric, lane by lane silver zari border, and beautiful cutwork design, cutwork embroidery design, very nice one. This one, you know, border portion silver zari and full border portions, beautiful cutwork embroidery design. This one is border, this one is full base part, mirror design, artificial mirror. And this one, you know, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, heavy cutwork embroidery design pallu. This one is beautiful pallu design, fully cutwork and embroidery design. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full pallu part, and this one is full base part, beautiful bright looks, black base. And this one, you know, full base. This one is border, silver zari contrast pink piping, base is natural fabric, lane by lane, smart bright beautiful looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks. This one also, you know, same material, same pattern, designer piece, natural fabric, lane by lane, weaving shade, silver zari border and full border portion, cutwork embroidery design, very nice one. This one, you know, full base part. This one is pallu, fully cutwork embroidery mirror design. This one is pallu part, very beautiful one, fully designer piece. And this one, you know, full base part, beautiful border design, cutwork mirror embroidery design, artificial mirror with embroidery cutwork design, very nice one. This one is full base part, and base is natural fabric, lane by lane. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base. And I will suggest this silk material, mirror design, checks and mirror design, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart trendy looks. This one also beautiful one, beautiful color combinations, premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen, and beautiful fine weaving border design. Very smart looks, have golden sign, and this one full base part, very trendy, smart, elegant looks. This one is full base part, parrot green shade, golden sign, premium quality, pure handloom linen tissue linen, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, golden zari fine stripes pattern pallu, and this one border portions, fine weaving border design. This one is beautiful fine golden zari with contrast color threaded weaving design border. Very exclusive, smart, bright looks, and full base part have golden sign based for your party wear, also very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart bright looks. And also very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen material, fine weaving border design, and beautiful fine embroidery work of white green shade base color. And this one full base part, beautiful smart looks. This one is fine embroidery design, fine weaving design border. This one is beautiful golden zari fine weaving border design, and full base part is embroidery work, fine embroidery work, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen with embroidery design. This one pallu part, beautiful golden zari fine stripes pattern pallu, and this one full base part, smart elegant looks, beautiful embroidery work, full border portions, 4-meter work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is beautiful fine embroidery design, very nice one. And I will suggest this heavy brocade work, silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart elegant looks. This one also beautiful one, semi cotton silk with printed one, beautiful color combinations, very nice one, based for your office wear, daily wear, very nice one, soft lightweight comfortable smart looks. This one full base part, beautiful printed one, full base. This one is full base part, this one is border portion, beautiful printed border, and this one is full base, smart elegant looks. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fine printed pallu, very smart elegant look, soft lightweight, very comfortable one. This one is full base part, beautiful printed, and this one is border portion. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, semi cotton silk with print. And I will suggest this silk material digital printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks, beautiful one. This one also very bright color combinations, smart trendy looks. This one is full base part, let me open, bright wine red shade, and this one full base, beautiful printed one, smart look, soft lightweight. This one is border portion, contrast color printed, and this one is full base part, floral pattern printed, full base, bright color and soft lightweight comfortable. Also this one is running blouse piece, this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color stripes printed with beautiful printed butta pallu, very smart elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material digital printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart bright looks, beautiful. This one also very nice one, same material, soft semi cotton silk with printed one, beautiful color combinations. Let me open this one. This one is full base part, this one is full base part, beautiful printed one. This one is contrast color black shaded printed border, and this one is full base part, very soft lightweight semi cotton silk with print, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one contrast color printed stripes with butta printed pallu design, very nice one, soft lightweight comfortable smart trendy looks, based for your office wear daily wear. And I will suggest this silk material beautiful digital printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart trendy looks, daily looks, beautiful one. Beautiful color combinations, green shade, same material, semi cotton, soft, lightweight, best for your office wear, very smart looks. This one beautiful printed contrast color printed border, and full base part also contrast printed one. This one full base part beautiful printed, and this one is border portion contrast color printed border, and this one is full base part, very smart elegant looks. This one is pallu part, stripes pattern printed pallu, and this one full base part, very elegant, trendy, expressive, smart daily looks. This one full base part. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base semi cotton with printed one. And I will suggest this silk material, beautiful pure silk material, beautiful digital printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart bright looks. And today I have draped a beautiful color saree, blue shade and contrast red border, and base is matka base with muslin stripes with sequin design, contrast color border, and full base part is sequin stripes design, and base is matka, and this one muslin pallu with beautiful sequin design, very nice one. This one is muslin pallu with fine sequin work, and base is matka base, contrast red border, and full base part is muslin sequin stripes. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.